Good day. Today, I'm excited to talk about haptic technology, a fascinating field that's transforming how we interact with machines by bringing the sense of touch into the digital world. What is haptic technology? Haptic technology refers to the system that stimulate touch sensations through vibrations, forces, or motion. It's what makes your phone buzz when you tap a button, or your game controller shake during intense moments. But beyond that, it revolutionizing industries from healthcare to virtual reality. Brief history. Haptics roots in aviation, where early systems provide tactile feedback to pilots in the 1980s. It entered consumer tech through gaming and mobile devices. Today, it's a key player in immersive experience and precision training. How does haptic system work? The system relies on three main components: actuator that produce motions or vibration, sensor that detects user input, and software that controls feedback. There are different types of feedback. Vibrotactile feedback like phone vibration, force feedback like resistance in joysticks, and emerging forms like ultrasonic and thermal feedback. Haptic is everywhere in smartphones, wearable devices, game controllers, virtual reality, even in medical simulation, in automobiles like in cars for safer and touch-sensitive controls, and inaccessible tools for virtually impaired users. The benefits are powerful. It enhances realism and immersion, improves safety and precision in training, makes digital interfaces more intuitive, and bridges the gap between physical and virtual world. Future trend. Future ha- the future of haptic is exciting. AI will personalize tactile feedback. New material will offer richer sensation. It will expand into education, therapy, and remote collaboration. And it will play a major role in metaverse and spatial computing. To wrap up, haptic technology is defining how we experience digital environments. It's not just about seeing or hearing anyone. It's about feeling, and that opens up a whole new dimension for interaction. These insights are drawn from these sources. Thank you for listening for